So on this past buy, he did one on a true ground that was not planted this past season. It has broken up pretty finely. He will keep going over it, and we'll keep turning this over as the days go on. But our Titan tiller and our new tractor are doing a fantastic job. Alright guys, I just wanted to show you how good this tiller is working for us. This dirt is pretty wet. We've had some rain over the past week, but as you can see in front of me, this is where some turnips and mustard greens were planted. We've done one run through of all of this, and it's tilted up pretty well. And you can see where we're laying our tires on the area where we've already made one pass through, so you're lining them back up again. That way your tiller is covering all the area. As you guys can see, this side is in larger clumps as he's tilling it with the tiller. The reason that is because this side is lower on a slope, so it has collected all the water and is a lot wetter than the first couple clips that we would have showed you today. Now this we will have to run over some more as it dries out, but just tilling it under one time will help with that, and we'll be able to get it fine down similar to the other side, which we will also continue to work before the season starts.